Ka All India Catholic Union haka arphlai direct benai march arja kendai kelap pelong dia kejing kenduk lang jeki kenhon nang yalam balang nika ecumenical meeting kebalak pelong ha nafsadana Varanasi Uttar Pradesh haka ni kejing kenduk lai simenta da bongot kidiu sampang nak keleng kijela bakentup yu John Dial beri presiden barim ka All India Catholic Union belalam khamat ya kejing kendu unang ya san an upat si Davis bakentup ru ya angot kirangba nang yalam kebalang nak kejelan yam shlong bakentup yu ba banabas nangba Dr. Vincent Darlong bat kiwe-kiwe kani kejing kendu kalong ru sibenta banyak keren banyak kun persya ya kejing sya le bank Kristan bat kejing sya kem ki pastor bagi Kristan kebelaja Hajonpur bat Bulendar.
And a Catholic, it has not come in Malayalam, it has not come in Deepika. It came in some Catholic magazines after I wrote it. How did we discover it? हमको कैसे पता लगा कि ईसाई को भी गौरव कृष्ण ने मारा था, क्योंकि मेरा हर्ष मंदिर झारखंड के जंगलों में टूट गया। एक घर में गए, उसका नाम था रमेश। रमेश से क्या पता लगेगा? Who will know whether Ramesh is a Christian from Kerala or from Timbuktu or from any makeup cell? Who will know? मगर जब हम उसके घर गए तो वहाँ पे मरियम का फोटो लगा हुआ था। मरियम का फोटो लगने से साफ बात है कि नहीं सिर्फ ईसाई बल्कि कैथलिक है। तो हर्ष को पता नहीं था ये कैसे क्या होता है। हम बात कर रहे थे तो हर्ष ने बताया ये मेरे साथ हैं, बड़े पुराने साथी हैं, मुझसे शुरू में मेरे साथ हैं, इनका नाम है जॉन। तो वहाँ पे टीवी नहीं है, कोई मेरी शक्ल जानता नहीं है। मगर जब उस विधवा ने सुना कि जॉन है और मेरी दाढ़ी है, ज़्यादातर लोग मेरे को पागल कहते हैं, उसने समझा मैं प्रीस्ट। तो उसने कहा हमारे लिए शांति की प्रार्थना कीजिए। मगर मैं आपके साथ क्या कहते हैं कि मेरे को प्रार्थना करना आता नहीं है। और फादर बोलने के बाद तब भी मैंने एक थोड़ा सेमी इमेजिनेशन जो उस इलाके में है एक प्रार्थना की। जब प्रार्थना की तो सब लोग रोने लग गए। फिर उन्होंने हमको पकड़ा, मेरे को और समुद्र को, और जो हमारे साथ थे हमको जंगल में ले गए। साल का जंगल है, जंगल में कब्रें हैं ईसाइयों की। सबसे ताज़ी कब्र रमेश की थी।
Hi, myself Patsy David, and I'm state coordinator for Uttar Pradesh ADF, Alliance Defending Freedom. In the past 4 months, we have seen tremendous persecution in UP and especially the eastern Uttar Pradesh, including Varanasi, Jaunpur, Sultanpur, Pratapgarh. And we have seen lot of problems taking place in this area where churches were being targeted because they have grown in large numbers, especially in Jaunpur. Many churches were closed down, believers were beaten, pastors were beaten, they were taken into prison and they were sent to jail. In the last year 2018, there were more than 88 verified cases, and in 2019 we saw 15 or 16 cases so far, and in most of the cases we were there to help at the ground level. More than 35 people were bailed out after September 2018, and even in New Year also more than 7 people were bailed out, and we are trying to open one by one each churches there. Those were closed. Last year more than 50 churches were closed, but with the help of the minority minister Mohsin Raza, we were able to plead to him to open the churches that were closed by force from the police and other administrative authorities, and by God's grace we were able to open churches. Even now, at least 5 or 6 churches are still closed, and we are trying to work. Our litigation team is trying to help these pastors to so that they can get permission from the government so that their churches can be open. So we are thankful, especially for inviting us to All India Catholic Union meeting, and it will help us to come closer to each other. It is a very good initiative taken by All India Catholic Union. Thank you so much.